Okay, so welcome to our guide words lesson. And this is going to help you with TEIs on your SOL test. You guys probably already know a little bit about this, but this is just kind of a refresher review. Today, we're just going to do the example together, and then you will be doing your week worksheet on your own, and we will check it on a different day. So you need a highlighter and a pencil. Go ahead and highlight your title, Guide Words Practice. Let's look at our directions. All right, it says, here are some guide words from different pages in the dictionary. Each question asks you to decide if certain words are on that page or not. Remember that a helpful strategy is to put those words and, this is really important, and the guide words in alphabetical order. Then see what words are between the guide words. And I'm going to show you a little trick for that I think is helpful. So you have to make sure that you remember you put all the words. Do not leave out the guide words, or there's really nothing that you can get out of it. All right, so let's look at our example. We have apple and astronaut, and those are supposed to be on page 25 of the dictionary. So here are your guide words. Now, if you know anything about dictionaries, you know, if you don't know this, again, everything I write should be on your paper. You know that the first guide word is actually the first word on your dictionary page. So label that. This is going to be the first word on the page. Your second guide word, which is usually on the upper right-hand side, is going to be the last word on the page. And you already know when we talk about text structure that a dictionary is organized in alphabetical order, right? So this will be the first word, this will be the last word. Any other words that come between them in alphabetical order are going to be on that page. Okay, so let's take a look at our question. Which word is on page 25? So we're only going to have one of them this time. It will get harder where you have more than one, especially with your TEIs. So we have alien, apricot, and attention. And our guide words again are apple and astronaut. All right, it says, I don't know if that's supposed to be an I or a one, but I'm going to pretend it's a one. Step one is you are going to put all of the words in alphabetical order, including your guide words. All. Now, they've already kind of done this one for you, but I'm just going to do it over to the side just for those of you that need a review. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, and if you notice, they all begin with the letter A. So I just like to go on my paper, and so you should be writing this on your paper. You could do this on loose leaf during your SOL test. We have all 5 words that begin with the letter A. You can take your pencil and mark out the first letter. This is a lot harder for me to do on here, but we've got our first letters written down. They all start with A. Okay, so now we need to look at the second letter. We have P, S, L, P, T. Well, when you sing your ABCs, so we have P, S, L, P, T, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So our L word is going to go first in ABC order. So we know alien goes first. You can write it down and mark it out, right? Then we have P, P, S, T, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Well, we have 2 P words. I'm just going to go ahead and go P, P. We can come back and look at those. S and T, Q, R, S. So astronaut will go next. And then my last word is going to be attention. We're done with those. Sorry for all the doors slamming in the background. The kids are playing. It's a snow day. All right, so we have apple and apricot. Okay, which one will be our second word? Which one will be our third word? Well, we have to look at our next letter. So we have A, P, P and APR. So your ABCs, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So apple goes next in ABC order. And then apricot is next. So you all hopefully already knew that. Sorry, the key's right there, but whatever. I just wanted to show you the process in case you haven't done much ABC order. So here's where I like my little strategy a little better than what they did. Step 1, again, is to put all the words in ABC order, and you need to write this down. Step 2, you're just going to draw your dictionary page. Write that down. You're going to draw the dictionary page. Well, what shape is a dictionary page? It is a rectangle. What is the first word on our dictionary page? Oh, it's apple, Mrs. Gregory. What is the last word on our dictionary page? It's astronaut, Mrs. Gregory, because that's our other guide word. So you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw your dictionary page with apple as your first word and astronaut as your last word. Well, what other word is on the page? What word comes between them? It is apricot. And if you look at your answer down here, it says, oh, it's supposed to be a highlighter. Whoopsie. Okay, erase that. But it tells you right there, apricot is between my guide words. So it would be on page 25. There you go. So you're just going to do these same 2 steps. Make sure you have to put the guide words in the ABC order. That's the biggest mistake I see a lot of 5th graders do. You can't do it without the guide words. That's what this whole thing is. So you need to do step 1, take all of these words, ill, imagination, illustrate, igloo, and important. Number 1, list them in ABC order. Go through it step by step like I did. Maybe you have a faster way to do it. Step 2, you need to draw your dictionary page with this is your first word and this is your last word. Anything that comes in between is on the page in the dictionary. Okay, so go ahead and finish the sheet. We will come back and check them on another day. All right, good luck.